Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here with your latest in the crypto industry. $38,000 could be Bitcoin's new bottom as sentiments turn to extreme fear. An extreme fear we have seen on the index. The $38,000 point. As the news of the Fed's plan to increase interest rates trickle into the mainstream media, the stock market and the crypto market tumbled. Perhaps one of the most badly hit assets classes was Bitcoin, as it lost up to 9% of its value in a single day. We've seen this before, and it rebounds every time. This left the asset sinking to lows of 41,000, far below the $48,000 point that it started the year of 2022 with. According to Crypto Fear Greed Index, sentiments indicated extreme fear at 15 points. The widespread sentiment is that the asset could be entering the throes of a bearish market, with several analysts pointing out the similarities between it and the crash in May 2021. However, other analysts have expressed confidence that the asset could bottom between the range of $38,000 and $40,000. Mike, the CEO of Galaxy Digital, believes this to be the case and that he is waiting a little longer to buy into the asset. The veteran investor thinks that there is a tremendous amount of institution actions on the sideline, according to an interview with CNBC. Now, I totally agree with that. Institutions are licking their fingers and waiting for the market to drop more. Because as the fear kicks in and people start selling, scared of losing, the institutions is buying. Reg Capitals thinks that the drop to 40k is in play for the asset after it divided from the blue 50 EMA and is now on course to set a higher low. Scott Melker, an analyst, thinks that the asset is currently trading in the golden pocket between 0.65 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels. Price is currently in the golden pocket of the move from $28,600 and $69,000. Now, knowing the Fibonacci retracement indicator, the golden pocket is a buying opportunity. Are you going to wait for it to drop down to 38,000, or are you going to DCA in from here if it does go down? Leave me your thoughts on this. Is Bitcoin mimicking the rise of Amazon? Macro guru Raoul Pal compares cheap BTC to tech giant. Macro guru, a Real Vision chief executive, Raoul Pal, is looking at the historical price action of e-commerce titan Amazon and comparing it to the performance of Bitcoin since 2013. According to the macro guru, if Bitcoin is to follow Amazon's price action in 2010, it is possible for the leading cryptocurrency to revisit crucial support at $30,000. It suggests BTC might even possibly test $30,000, but I doubt it. I think the sell-off is near done, but who knows? It's similar enough for contacts, but never rely on fractals. They are for contacts only. The BTC fractal is longer in time than the Amazon and more volatile. In the end, as it's all noise, the log chart is the truth, and that itself approximation of Metcalfe's law. It isn't noise to you. Your position is too big for your time horizon. Paul also adds that based on Metcalfe's law, Bitcoin's value should be hovering around $100,000. Now, we've seen quite a few people indicating that Bitcoin will be $100,000 or more by the end of 2021, but that didn't happen. Will we see a $100,000 price by the end of December 2022? What's your thoughts on that? A man claims to have properly mined crypto with his Tesla car. While cryptocurrency mining is typically associated with noise and bulky mining rigs, a man from San Francisco discovered a way to properly mine Bitcoin and Ethereum with his sleek-looking Tesla Model 3 car. Sir Ray recently told CNBC that he had managed to earn $800 per month last year when cryptocurrency markets price were at their peak. Referral directly connected graphic cards processing units, GPUs, to Model 3's electric motor while running a cryptocurrency mining script with the help of the FSD computer. Now, we've seen Tesla mention in the past that their cars might come out or might have the ability to mine while driving. Now, someone has already proven it, and he doesn't even work for Tesla, if my understanding is correct. Making money while you're driving? Well, I'll be driving all day. 50% of global financial transactions might involve Ethereum in 10 years, hedge fund says. 50% of all transactions? With these massive gas fees currently? There must be a different way. Joe, co-chief investment officer of cryptocurrency-centered hedge fund Pantera Capital, has said Ethereum has prospects of becoming an integral player in the global financial system. In the interview with Bloomberg, Crook projected that over 50% of financial sector transactions might involve Ethereum, citing the asset's underlying technology. He stated that despite Ethereum's facing competition, the platform's position might go unchallenged, citing aspects like minimal trade-offs. There's too many trade-offs other chains are making that Ethereum is not making on the decentralization side that are pretty important. If you roll the clock forward 10 to 20 years, a very sizable percent, might be even north of 50%, of the world's financial transactions in some way, shape, or form will touch Ethereum, Crook said. According to Crook, before Ethereum achieves the milestone, a shakes off competition, the ongoing network development will play a key role. I totally agree. The development in the network will be a key, especially on the gas fee side. Vitalik proposed advanced ways to make Ethereum gas fees fairer, but there's a catch. High gas fees has plagued the Ethereum network in recent times. Buttering has proposed a multi-dimensional EIP 1559 to solve the problem. He has also revealed a roadmap for the network going forward in the recent days. Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin has proposed a new solution to solve Ethereum's gas fees issues. Buterin made these proposals in a post on the network's research platform. ETH 2.0 and Ethereum's roadmap. The Ethereum CEO has been active in recent weeks. In a podcast a couple of days ago, he revealed his plans for the network as it's transition to the proof-of-stake system. He outlined a 5-step process: merge, surge, verge, purge, and slurge, which he expects will take 6 years to complete and see the network run at maximum optimization. Buttering said that the end goal for the network was to leave the past in the past and create an Ethereum that actually becomes simpler and simpler over time. Now, he has a roadmap and it might take up to 6 years. Will it take 6 years for the gas fees to come down or be affordable? Avalanche and what its defying Bitcoin means going forward. Furthermore, the correlation with BTC has made Avalanche a much more attractive and lucrative network for investors and developers. Interestingly, this may be why there has been an increase in the number of dApps built on Avalanche. Just recently, well-known DEX trader Joe released his roadmap for the expansion of the Avalanche ecosystem. Here, it is worth noting that the platform aims to become the hub for DeFi innovation and an ambassador for NFTs and Metaverse. Additionally, Bitwise ranked Avalanche fifth in its 10 large cap crypto index after the December month end reconstitution. Avalanche is preceded only by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. Now, looking at this, will this give Avalanche a push up on its market cap? Moreover, on January 6, one of the biggest decentralized farming pools, UNIFARM, launched on Avalanche, this making it one of the only 4 chains that DApp has expanded to after Ethereum, Polygon, and the Binance Smart Chain. Even though Avalanche might not have a social percent as strong as some of its competitors, the network adoption speaks volumes. Should this keep up, AVAX too might find a rally sooner rather than later. While Avalanche has been rallying and has been moving up non-stop, reaching $134 a coin already, how much more can it go? PayPal, launch of its new stablecoin in push for crypto adoption report. Stablecoin, PayPal. What about regulations? What about the SEC? PayPal is reportedly planning to launch its own stablecoin as part of its strategy to take advantage of crypto adoption. PayPal's Senior Vice President and General Manager of Blockchain, Crypto, and Digital Currency, 𝙏𝙖𝙧, confirmed to Bloomberg that the payment giant is considering having its own regulated stablecoin. Now that's a very important section, regulated. We are exploring a stablecoin. If and when we seek to move forward, we will of course work closely with relevant regulators. Fernandez's announcement comes after iOS developer Steve Moser discovered parts of the PayPal iPhone app source code that indicated the company may be working on a stablecoin called PayPal Coin. A PayPal spokesperson says that the image and codes inside the app were from a hackathon within the company's blockchain, crypto and digital currencies division. Therefore, the logo, name, and features of the coin might still change before the crypto asset gets released to the public. Fernandez in November said that PayPal has not found a stablecoin purpose built for payment. At the time, he said that PayPal is looking at 2 things before issuing its own stablecoin: the technology getting ready, and especially in terms of security, throughput, and scalability is one aspect. The other aspect is that there is clarity on the regulation. Now, will they be able to get this stablecoin regulated? What is the implication it will have in the market? Well, only time will tell as they move forward. Please hit the like and subscribe button so I know if you like these contacts with the latest updates. Have a great one and stay tuned. The next update will be out shortly.